बंद गोभी चना दाल भाजी.
Gobi Chana Dal Bhaji. Oh,
ओवरनाइट भिगा के रखा था बोला.
Chana Dal. Smashing some garlic, some grated coconut. And
You season it with mustard seeds. You're putting garlic first.
okay, we'll put garlic first.
Curry, onion.
We'll
And-
put potatoes.
Yeah, with the onion. Put the chana dal. Ing.
Hing. What?
We don't add water.
Oh, why?
The taste changes then. Cover this lid for 3 to 4 minutes. In that, the chana dal potatoes will get cooked.
ये क्यों किया आपने?
If the chana dal is cooked, adding the cabbage, finely chopped. Once it gets cooked, the quantity will become half the size of this. Turn it for 3 to 4 minutes.
ओह, कम हो गया पूरा.
Let it cook. Ne?
वो garnishing.
No, let it cook with that. The garnishing will put last. Last little kernel. Yes, it's all over. The bhaji is ready. You are ready to eat.